we've got. So I've been wanting to have a necklace like this for so many years, and guess what? I finally bought it. So let's see how it is. And basically, I've seen these type of necklaces on Amazon as well. But on Amazon, the size is always really big, and I wanted something like small, like the pictures right here. So and now my aesthetic is a really downtown girl aesthetic. So yeah, so that is like a quintessential thing to wear. So I finally bought this necklace. It's from this brand called the Thrifting Closet. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. Are you kidding me? It has my name and it's like this Barbie pass. It's so cute. Totally like, cute vibes. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. So we've got these toffees, like this kacha mango toffees, which is like totally, taking me back to childhood. We've got these orange bite toffees as well. Then we've got these like stickers. Oh my god, this is like one of the cutest things I have bought. Oh my god. These are super cute. We've got the necklace. It's super pretty. Now we'll open it and see. So it is like this, and it's super small, just how I wanted it. Like this is the size that I wanted it to be. So it's super cute. It comes with this, leather sort of band, and it's super cute. And it's like this. And let's see how it opens. So it's a locket basically. So let's open it. Oh, this is so cute. And you can close it. It's super good material, by the way. It's not flimsy at all. And I really like the design as well. I don't know if you can see, but the design is super pretty as well. Now, we're gonna wear it and see how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's super pretty. It totally fits the aesthetic, and it's super small, like just how I wanted it to be. I didn't want it to be too big because on Amazon they were so big. They were like this big, and the heart locket, and like I was like, oh my god, I don't want it to be that big. And it's totally small and petite, like how I wanted it to be. And yeah, so I bought this from the store, the Thrift Closet, and I would definitely recommend, if you want this type of necklace, that you should go and buy from her. And it was super affordable. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.